So today I'm discussing about the how to create a display ads. That's nothing but display network. This is called Google. Now here I'm going to where Google AdWords. The option call is new campaign. Click for display network. Please write down steps. One is called sales. Second one is called leads. Third one is called website traffic. Fourth one is called product and brand consideration. Fifth one is called brand awareness and reach. So if you click the sales, they're asking by the standard display campaign or Gmail campaign, nothing but email marketing or website address. Now clicking for leads, same standard display campaign and Gmail campaign. Now website information. Now website traffic, they asking by the two. One is called standard display campaign and email campaign. Now I'll show the email campaign also here. So this is called Gmail ad. Now click here. This ad will be created by the display. When you click this display image, they're going to a particular website. That is called your Gmail campaign. But you can use Raid, but you're always using by the standard display campaign here. Now here, I'm clicking for standard display campaign. Second option call is website traffic. Now, please add your website URL. Here, a lot of members will be doubt. So I can add blogger or not. We can add blogger address also. So I can add my blogger address, copy the blogger URL. In the previous class, we discussed about the website. Now discuss about the blog. Now click for continue. We can promote through AdWords on blog, maybe free blogger like Blogger or WordPress. Second one is called website. Will be possible by the using AdWords and search display both. So display nothing but image ad only. Which website we approve by the Google AdSense, our ad display by the that website only. By right side, maybe footer, maybe header, and maybe left corner or in the text content by instant article types. Now here, campaign name. Here I am writing for RTS display ads. First one is a campaign name. Write down step by step. Step one is the campaign one. Step two, location. Add any location by state, by country, state or country. So I'm adding with the location. After that, language selection. Here, we'll check the languages. Here, we'll search. No. Tamil, this will be there. Telugu not accept. So we can put by all languages also. But I'm going to give the only for English. Now, please write down bidding strategy. Write down bidding strategy. Write down one by one steps. Target CPA, cost per action. Search network and display complete both will different. Second one is called maximum clicks. Price will be targeting maximum clicks. See here, when adding location and language, they give reach for 4.7 billions. Reach is Hyderabad and language. Location is Hyderabad, language will be English. Now set it by the all languages. These are called impression 4.9 billions. But I'm setting by only for English. 4.7 billions. How many billions will be changed? 0.2 billions will be changed. Now you come to here. Please write down viewable CPM, cost per impressions, 1000 impressions. That is called cost per mile. But here I'm looking for my revenue part. So I can give option call is manual CPC. If anybody click my ad, he will be charged. Suppose ad will be displayed. When click my ad, it will be charged. That is called manual CPC, cost per click. If you give the cost per M what is it called? Mile. What is that? Every 1,000 impression will be charged. So one person opens same into multiple times the ad. Your will be due to your price. But I'm give the order option call is manual CPC. Now here pay for clicks. So please write down the each spending budget is 500. Each date 500 will be there. So here I am putting for price. Price wise they can show by the impression. See how many impression will be show? 680K to 2.2 million impressions. Why? I'm putting for viewable CPM. Suppose I'm clicking for CPC. They're showing impression and clicks. Look here. 1.1K to 3.3K clicks. How many impressions will be charged in the average CPC? 1.37 to 3.51 rupees. Now, how many impression? 64K to 290K. See how many charge will be CTR. CTR nothing but clicks by impression into 100. This is called final CTR price. We'll check the CTR price will be like this. What the budget is? 500 daily budget. I'm daily budget I'm changing for 5,000. Now look. Previous 1K now will be 11K to 37K impression. 680K to 3.3 millions. So what is the CTR? 0.77% to 3.2. So 3.3 percentage. This is a CTR. CTR nothing but click through rate. Clicks by impression to 100. So my budget is 500. Okay. So my option is called manual CPC. Just come down. What is that? Add group name. So I'm reading for digital marketing. Here, please write down target audience is affinity, remarketing, and intent. First one, affinity, based on the category wise. Based on the category, nothing but audience selections. Audience selection nothing but based on category. Suppose my category will be education. I'm set only for education. Now check. Banking and finance, beauty and wellness, food and drinking, sorry, food and dining. Now one by one check here. So what option call is? Technology. So when asking technology, look here. Previous 4.6 billion, now will be 2.6 billion. How many clicks will be done? 1.4K to 4.2. So I'm remove this option. How many? 4.6 here. How many clicks? 1.1 to 3.3. Now I'm checking for technology. So clear? I'm adding with affinity here. This is my impression and clicks. Now done. What is that? When you select affinity, remaining two will be, we can't accept that. What the second one is? Remarketing and intent. Nothing but they come into your website. Is not purchasing, is not click anything. They leave your website. That website content showing by the third party website by showing by the sponsored ads. Maybe Facebook, maybe AdSense websites. Now here, I go to my blogger here. I can open this website multiple times. What is that? Billion Expo, this website is called Alibaba.com. Why? Because I'm looking for a lot of products in the Alibaba.com, pricing differentiation. So always I'm showing by Alibaba.com here. So here, Big Drag. I'm purchasing a lot of domain in Big Drag. They always show you my ads here. Hathway. I'm showing Hathway plannings in this browsers. Showing by the Hathway here. So here. This is a new one. What is that? Is something website is there. This is a website. When you refresh, ads will be changed. Alibaba.com open was multiple times in the same browser. They showing the market into my website. Which website will approve by the AdSense? They showing my ads the multiple times. Purpose of their purchasing purpose. Maybe they clicks purpose. Is a Hathway. Previous Alibaba is there. Now will be Hathway. Big Rock. Big Rock Hathway. Now will be changing for Big Data. So when you're refreshing, ad will be changed. So if I'm changing the page, we'll check ad will be same or not. What is that? Is going to SEO profile. Is relevant for us. Now Just going to content here. What is that? Pathway here. So we'll check one by one. Where will ad will appear? We'll check the ads. Okay, this. What is that? Is a text with the display. This one. Text with the display. So they showing by the in between test also and show by image also here. Just with the image. Now come down here. So everything will be done just here. Just with the image. How many ads will be showing for? 2 ads along with the 1 ad. And this. So here, so I'm selecting for affinity or option all is a technology. Remain 2 will be disabled here. Now, what's that? Demographic. What's that? Gender wise, age wise, salary wise. Parent, non-parent. Non-parent nothing but student. Unknown thing but don't select the unknown. Remove the unknown option. I'm selecting for up to 45 years to 54 years. Up to 54. We can select by 44 also. I'm providing for December training. Plus remove the unknown. So male or female, gender, age wise 18 years to 54 years and year. Not a parent. Nothing but student. Parent nothing but salary employed. Maybe you have no salary and salary employed. 2 all will be applicable. Clear? So these are my demographic here. Age wise, gender wise we select here. This is called age wise. We target what is called 18 years about age. Age will be displayed by where? The Google Plus profile and settings. Based on the Gmail setting, they will be covered by your this one. See here. These are age wise. Okay. So how many impressions are there here? 2 billion. How many clicks? 1,400 to 4,700 clicks. How much CPC? 1 rupee 4 paisa to 2 rupees 73 paisa. Now come here. Here, very important. What is called? Conversion automation. Please write down automatic targeting. Targeting method. One is called no automatic targeted. Convertive automation. Aggressive automation. Please write down. Conservative automation. Aim to get more customers. Write down definition. Aim to get more customers. Once you targeted at your current cost per customers based on demographics and location and language. Aggressive automation. Aim to get as many customers. Aim to get as many customers as possible around your current cost per click on category wise, location and language. Cost per click, language and category and country wise, location. So last one, no targeted, no automated targeted. This is called manual targeting method. This is called manual targeting method. Manual targeting method by location, by language and bidding strategy. Targeted audience. So I'm selecting for what is that option called is not a automated targeting. Just come down here. Please write down ad group bidding. Per keyword, how many, per ad, how many clicks will be done? Please look the screen here. When you fix by one display ad per click charge is not a keyword, it is a display ad charge. See, the typical bid AdWords campaign with the similar targeting was that 5 rupees 93 paisa. Per click, how much charge? 5 rupees 93 paisa. But here I am clicking for 2 rupees per display. Look here. Views, clicks will be increased. So previous, without budget, 1.3K to 3.9K. So per click, how much I am give budget? 2 rupees. What the default pricing? 5 rupees 93 paisa. What is my manual pricing is? So default is 5 rupees 93 paisa. What is my manual price is? 2 rupees. What is the how many clicks? 2.5K to 7K. What is the average CPC? 60 paisa to 1 rupee 56 paisa. Why? My budget is 2 rupees. So I give you the 3 rupees. 2K. Why? Clicks will be down. Why? My pricing will be increased. When increase the price, our clicks will be down. So I can give by 1.5 paisa. 3.4K to here. What is my manual CPC, average CPC? 48 paisa to 1 rupee 24 paisa. So what is my one click charge? 1 rupee 50 paisa. But I'm giving this only for 1 rupee 30 paisa. See. They not increase our viewers. So I can give by 3.4K to 9.3K clicks. In between, we can't give guarantee. But they can give guarantee by 3,400 clicks will be giving guarantee. After they can give me maybe 3,500, maybe up to 9,200 clicks. In between clicks will be done by the here. Impression 1,40,000 to 6,20,000. We can guarantee by 1,40,000 impressions. But we can't guarantee except more impression. How many impression will be get based on the amount. So I'm putting for the automated budget will be default will be there. I can give by the 2 rupees per click. My budget is this called manual CPC, cost per click my ad. So here, please come into this one. Here, ad will be created. One campaign, you can create the ad groups. Ad group created by the number of ads here. Now here, click the new ad here. Please write down here. This is called responsive ad, upload display ads, and copy existing ad. Three will be there. Upload display ad, nothing but where you can upload display ad on your desktop. Now click here. We can upload by the desktop here. So here, look. What's that here? My final URL. Where is that? My blog. So here, URL option. Target template. Any template will be there. We can target here extension URL. So what is that? Choose file to upload. Where? On your desktop. Now check here. I'm setting any image. Wait for a second here. This is the image size and the size limit. How much? 150 KB and size will be called 750 by 100, 750 by 200, 750 by 300. First will be width, second will be height, and 240 by 400, 980 by 240, 120 sorry, 930 by 180, 250 by 360, 580 by 400. This is the size of your AdWords images, display campaign images. So size done. Now just go to here, choose your file to upload here. Just I'm uploading this picture here. So I'm adding this image. So we'll check. So what the size of I'm adding here. So previous I'm adding, they will be showing the size will be not properly execute here. So here still 580 by 393. So we minimum X by 400 sizes pixel. 580 by 400. So wait for a second here. I can change image. So here, what's the size of 500, 580 by 400? Look here, this is the last size here, 150 KB size. Now, this is my what's called my URL, but here I'm give that my long URL call digital marketing training URL. I'll copy this URL. If anybody click add, they're going to which one URL? This is the URL. Done. So here I'm clicking for add to group. So first I created. So I'm going to where? So the previous I'm setting for the upload display ad here. So this is the previous sizes. Now what is that? Responsive ad. Nothing but you give any ad. They will be called responsive ad will be generated here. Now click here. So I'm clicking here. So I'm clicking for responsive ad. Look this one. This is a responsive ad. Please write down. First one is a short headline, 25 characters. Long headline is 90 characters. Digital marketing training. So they go by 20 characters here. Course. Long headline. Enroll. Free. Online class. Here I show the all screens here. Here description. Description will be 90 characters. Please write down. Previous will accept 80 characters. Now will be extended by up to 90 characters. Inline. Online class on digital marketing class colon. So this one here business name. I can give by business name is called digital Rakesh. Why I'm adding with my blog URL? Yes or no? Here you can give by my final URL. This is my final URL. Previous is display ad with the sizes. Few sizes will be there. Now will be responsive ad. So automatically your text, automatic ad will be changed. So here everything. Please look the here. How many ads will be there? I'll show here one by one. Check that one. I can show the one by one here. First one, second. They play one by one here. Wait for a second. One. When you click, they're going to where? Your blog URL. Right? That is called your display ad here. So then click. They're going to the display ad. So here. So here is a preview here. So just here is the option is not working here. Wait for a second. So here, when this is called complete text ad. Display in the text ad. Look here. Display with what is that? Text ad. Now look here. What is that? Image. So I'm adding image here. These are all images will be integrated images. Now, what is that? Scan website. These are scanning website images. What is that? Upload. Choose upload your photographs. Same sizes. Added here. Okay. Click for save. Now here image will be adding here. So still is image not uploading here. What is that? Image. And logo. Click for save. Ads. They're showing one by one here. Now, add assistant. Add more image. So I'm adding image here. Wait for a second. So I'm adding logo 196 by 196 pixel. Here I'm clicking for continue. Click for save. Now look here, your screen one by one here. So I'm showing by here one by one screen. This one is the ad. Ads by Google. Now here, this. Any image we can add by the left corner side here. Click here and add by image. Image. Click for continue. Click for save. This image is the logo. Done. Now here pause this. First screen, second, third screen. So how many screen will show? One. So 2, 3. So they're showing by only for 2 options. One and along with image, along with the test with the display. Is it clear? Yes. So come with here. What is that? Add to group. So in add group, how many ads will be created here? So one error will be there. Check here. Where the error will be. Check where you are facing error. Wait for a second. So what is that? I'm adding with how many images complete for 4 images. Done. Complete done either is a image and logo. So now check your ads one by one. Previous how many ads will we show here? 2. Now is 1. What's that? 2, 3. I will be called 4. I will be called 5. I will be called 6. First one is that like this arrow type. Second one is called without color. Previous color, then is the white. Third, what is that? Visit site. Fourth, along with the phone number and everything. Previous and now will be completely different. So play previous. Is that clear? Total how many ads will be there? 6 ads. Total 6 type of ads will be there. See one by one I'll show here. Visit site is a small ad strips type. Text with image is a button called blue color, white color button. Visit site without description, with the description also hyperlink here. Now click here. Complete total 6 ads. Now come to down here. Add to ad group. So how many ads will be created? 2 ads. Now create a campaign. It's final campaign. So my manual budget is the 2 rupees. Other target will be demographics, male, 16, more age. Now come here. Now click for continue to campaign. So that approve or disapprove within a hour they can approve your ads. We'll check the here. Now we are enable here. So here, what's showing here? Status will be eligible. Suppose your budget will be not flexible, that is called not eligible. So it's eligible here. Now ads will be running here. Suppose you check by your ad group. Now click here. You check by your ad group also. If you need any extension, see what is that? One is called responsive or second will be called image ad. Both will be applicable. One is responsive, second one is the image ad. Response nothing but based on sizes, ad will be changed. Now here, same ad will be like this. Now if they come into here, ad will be changed here like this. This is called responsive. Same ad we can show by both. I'll show here. This is called one ad. What is called? Pathway. Now I'm going to home page. See, Pathway previous ad. Now check here. In Pathway, I will come into this one. Check. No, just refresh here. So same pathway coming like this also. This is a responsive one. Now your Asta will be coming. Same pathway putting for responsive. They coming by like this. 728 by 90. We'll check by a number of ads. Search and display completely different is campaign, ad group, keywords. Search, display, campaign, ad groups, ads. This is a structure. Search and display. These are completely different. Search will be called campaign, ad groups. Each group is the multiple keywords. Is a search network. Display, campaign, multiple ad groups. Each ad group, multiple ads. This is called display network. This is different between the display and search network.